Walking Macau Streets, colorful people, colorful buildings. I love this town.
So that's our target, and we are going to see if Five Guys is open, and if it is, we'll eat and take the camera inside a little bit and show you what it looks like. Is that the grand opening sign? This is actually, this whole thing just opened up about 4 or 5 days ago, and I was able to go in. Open 7 days a week, Monday through Sunday, 11 o'clock. Right now it's probably 10:30 in the morning. Okay. Well, we can't get in yet, but we can maybe get in a little bit later. Some nice reflection. I like the windows are super clean. It's a relatively beautiful space, and quite condensed, which is nice. So we'll see what's all in here later when it's fully gone up. Okay, here's Yoho Treasure Island, Macau Tower. And then right over there, there's a new restaurant, Five Guys, and there's also this new mall slash hotel slash resort, I guess it's called as well. And it's right here by the Lisboa Amaral, or the bus terminal, or also sometimes we call it like Lisboa. There's a Grand Lisboa Casino and Lisboa Casino. And we have this beautiful little walkway, so we're going to go in, check it all out, and kind of show you what's around. And we have, this is a Navan Lake right in here. It's a manufactured lake. So stay tuned, show you what this looks like. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So yeah, we're gonna be in there in a second. Huh. There's a Five Guys restaurant here. There's Lisboa. That right there, there's an architect who comes to my channel, and he stayed there. He lived there for a few years, I believe. And now they have this waterfront that connects about halfway down, and then there's like a little block spot. But if they fix that little block spot, it'd be the whole lake could be walked around easy. Actually, you still can over there at that black spot, which is between that brown and that white building over there. You just have to go in a little bit and around that building and then come back out again. But this building here, these two also had like a black spot as well, but they just open it up, so now you can go over there. There's an Indian restaurant over there. Then you have this beautiful coastline of Navan Lake, and that coastline will look beautiful at nighttime. In daytime it looks okay too, of course, but nighttime, everything would be all lit up. It'll look really nice. So that's our target, and we are going to see if Five Guys is open, and if it is, we'll eat and take the camera inside a little bit and show you what it looks like. Okay, let's see how we do this. Let's go down this way. Got these steps. Okay, so let me just see. Let's see how we navigate this. I guess we have to go around. But it's nice though. It's a nice big sidewalk. You got places to sit over here too. I bet this is going to be really filled with people once there's Five Guys right there. Okay. Looks like they have access to outside as well. I don't think it's open, but I guess we'll find out in a moment. Is that the grand opening sign? This is actually, this whole thing just opened up about 4 or 5 days ago, and I was able to go in. Open 7 days a week, Monday through Sunday, 11 o'clock. Right now it's probably 10:30 in the morning. So it looks like we probably have about 40 minutes before we could even get in there. But it looks like, let's just kind of check this out. It looks like they have a lot of space, indoor and outdoor. So this is another door here. And then this, I think, is also part of Five Guys, or is this something different? Looks like some different doors down there. But yeah, if you're able to sit here, you'd have some pretty nice views, especially at nighttime. So okay, so let's try to get inside and we'll see what we can see. $11 Doors are still locked. Okay. 11 until 10 at night. Nice. Okay, that's the inside of the mall. I don't know, looks like it's gonna be close. We'll see if we can get inside somehow. Okay. Well, we can't get in yet, but we can maybe get in a little bit later. Some nice reflection. I like the windows are super clean, and actually they'll just go all the way up too. And actually the reflection is kind of cool. You can see Macau Tower in the background, and we're actually had some better views over on this side. So at nighttime, this whole area would be amazing. There's a Wynn Casino right there, MGM right there, and that's the bridge that goes to Taipa. There's another YouTuber that was here recently, Gabriel Traveler, and it was kind of interesting because I think he came somewhere near here and he looked out over the way and he's like, I think that's China. But actually that's Taipa, and that's, he never made it to Taipa that I saw in his videos anyways. So he just stayed in Macau side, didn't know over there was all the big casinos. I think he thought these were the casinos. They are the casinos, but they're not the big ones. They're big too. Sorry, not to underestimate or under-evaluate it. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we can still kind of take a look at Yoho. It's really quiet today. Kind of surprised. I'm going to try to go inside and walk around with the camera if I can, but I also want to show you this outside as well. Actually got a nice view of the under the bridge now too. Never really was able to see that because this was all being built for the longest time, so you couldn't really come in here. Okay, let's give a nice 360. Okay, so I'm gonna see if it's possible to get inside at this time. There's a car here. That looks like maybe somebody who has a connection with working here. Closed, closed. Oh, these look like maybe for workers. Okay, so we'll keep on. There's Yoho Treasure Island. It's quiet. I guess I can go right in here. So this is the inside of the Yoho Treasure Island. So we've got a lot of nice shops in here. I don't know how much I can film, so I'll probably turn the camera on and off there. But you're getting a feel for it. There's the Five Guys, there's the other side of it. It looks like I don't know, we'll get over there in a minute too. Take a look. Got some music in here as well. I don't know, it doesn't look open. I mean, it doesn't look like it's gonna open at 11. I just don't know. Because it's about 10:30 already, so people should be there already opening up and getting started, so I feel like maybe it's not quite started yet. But they do have a potato thing up there. I don't know. That's kind of cool. Nice reflection as well. Looks like there's I don't know. So it looks like it's a relatively beautiful space, and quite condensed, which is nice. So we'll see what's all in here later when it's fully gone up. So this might help a little bit. So let me see, we got the cinema, which and the hotel lobby, shopping, Starbucks, Five Guys, that's where we were just at. Okay, there's going to be a supermarket down below, playground, food and beverage. So there's going to be some food stuff on B1, and then the first floor cinema, which is this one, and then there's going to be a couple Chinese restaurants, Cannon Chinese and Swan Restaurant. So we'll see. Looks like this up here isn't quite open yet. We have that closed off, but there's going to be a cinema in the near future. I was actually here with my daughter on the very first day, but I didn't have the camera. It was kind of a, but she noticed that this Eiffel Tower doesn't have a top. So it's kind of funny that she said that, because it goes right up to the elevator. But pretty cool. I like the neon light and the vibe, and being able to go out to that waterfront is kind of amazing. Do have some pretty cool lighting. I did walk all the way down that way. There's like a bunch of kind of high-end bags and kind of cool stuff. And I just saw that they just opened up this door. I just walked down that way. I was gonna film, but it feels like I don't want to have them tell me to turn the camera off. So I'm gonna be a little bit careful. But it looks like this door is open and that was closed earlier. So that's kind of interesting. And I think this is the highlight of this whole place right here, is that you have these restaurants and you can come right out. You get this amazing view. Got Macau Tower right there. You got the walkway, you have some chairs you can sit in. Really, really nice. Let's see if the Five Guys is open. Kind of don't think it's going to be open today, but it's just, you can see the grand opening. They got this stuff over the sign, which kind of implies that it's not open yet. I mean, like, they haven't even had their first day yet. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong about that. But nonetheless, nice space. Okay, so yeah, I just found out that Five Guys will open up on the 10th, on February 10. So today is February 6th. So I don't know when I'll upload the video exactly. Probably try to upload it a little sooner, because it'll change so much in a few days. So it's still officially not open yet. The grand opening day. Oh, there we go. I just saw a sign that said there's a, it's like a swimming pool is up there too. But there's a billboard right there. Infinity view of Navan Lake. Okay, so you can book swimming pool there too. I came in here, I didn't film that part, but there's like a hotel lobby. There's not much in it. I mean, that's for hotel guests, I mean. So yeah, I guess the Five Guys, at least you get an idea that it's going to be opening soon, and I'll try to get this video up there sooner than later so that people can get an idea of exactly what that's going to look like. Get some nice views here. So there's the Treasure Island, and there's hotel guests, they're able to stay here as well. I've seen that at least for a few months already. And so got some advertisements for the Galleria inside. This is the grand opening. So yeah, actually they've been kind of opening up slowly for a little bit. There's a dolphin up there, I think. So now we're walking out into kind of the main transportation hub. All the buses, many buses come through this area, as you can see. And I'm just going to show off this space real quick. So you got, yeah, Grand Lisboa, Lisboa Casino, Wynn Casino, MGM Casino. are all right in here. There's some other ones too, Star World. There's a bunch of other ones in close vicinity as well. And then I'm just going to come out over here and we'll end our video in this area. These have been here for a long time. This was cut off, so this was all under construction for the longest time. So I do have some older videos where I was in this area, and I would have labeled it differently. I would have labeled the street behind this building. But now this is all open up to the public, so this is connected now. Basically this wasn't here before, so they constructed that little space and carved it out of this Navan Lake, which used to be the ocean. So they carved the lake out first and created the lake out of the ocean, and then they kind of built around it, so you can see the Macau Tower is on reclaimed land, so they created a little isthmus all the way around to move traffic around. And then they created this just recently, I think it's been under construction the last 7 or 8 years, and now it's finally realized. And so yeah, all this is brand new, and then this they had to create from scratch. So anyways, that's Yoho. Yeah, I kind of hope that someday they'll build a way all the way around it, so you can just walk around the whole lake. There's just parts of it there's parts of it that are really nice. You can walk around the whole thing, but it's like you got obstacles. So there's obstacles you have to go around. The main one being right over there is an obstacle. Not this one, but the next building over. And then there's another obstacle over there by this courthouse, which is you kind of have to navigate around it, which isn't always so intuitive. All right, so that's Yoho Treasure Island. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.